Hey, how you guys doing today? This is James Allswell from Genuine Leads. Um, we're based out of Mount Blanchard, Ohio. Kind of wanted to go over your website with you and see if we can maybe see if you're interested in trying to go for the top three on Google. Um, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is Google likes to see about 1,500 words of word content throughout your homepage. And currently you're sitting at 195, so would have to bring that up tremendously, right? um, Also, I see that your phone number is not click to call, and that's also something that Google likes to see. For example, if a customer comes into your website and they want to contact you and they can't click to call, Google will not know that they contacted you. That's a big thing. So let's see. So I like the layout of your website. It just needs more, right? It needs more information. Um, so right now you are sitting on second page, number 17th position. So um, in order to get more customers, you would have to be at least top three. Um, so So right here is the map pack section. And then down here is your organic listings. So what I did was I took Finley Dental Team, which is your number one competitor, and I took your website and I put them in a software that I use. Okay. Before I go to that software, I'm going to go ahead and show you Finley Dental Team's website. So they got a pretty nice website. However, right now they're sitting at 644 words of content. Like I said, Google likes to see about 1,500. 1,500 will definitely get you on the first page. Considering they only have 644, this should be fairly easy to outrank, right? So let's go ahead and go over to my software that I use. All right, so this is your trust factor with Google. So they're sitting at 24 out of 100. This is a Google Power rating. So they're sitting at 0.9 out of 100. So their site is definitely 100% beatable, right? They got 236 backlinks, which backlink is a shout out from another website, and this gives you exposure and power. They have 42 referring domains. Referring domains is your actual URL or your domain is in somebody's website, right? So they can click on it; it'll go right to your webpage. They have 143 organic keywords throughout their website. What an organic keyword is anything that somebody would throw into Google search, and they would find dental care, or a dentist in that area. Organic traffic, they have 416 potential customers that are going on their webpage every month. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at yours. Okay, so you have a trust factor of no data, power rating of 0, 15 backlinks, 4 referring domains, 33 organic keywords, and 26 organic traffic. So if we could get your referring domains up, your backlinks, um, get your content or your word content up on your website, and do a few things. I mean, we could definitely outrank. Um, Also, the other thing that I noticed is on the map pack, you're actually on the second page, number 21st position, and you don't have any photos. Um, you look at some of these. Wait for it. So they have 2 photos there. They have 1. The other thing is too, like Hoffner, they got 67 reviews, and you only have 10. If we can get your reviews up, we can get your reviews up, get more reviews, get more pictures, probably around 10 pictures. We could definitely get you ranked up in the map pack. The map pack isn't a must, but at the same time, um, the rating of somebody clicking on the map pack versus the organic is about 30%, right? So it's just something that you want to think about. But if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. Um, please keep in touch. And thank you for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it. You have a wonderful rest of your day.